We're going to the Philippines. Try something new and then just confirm Jakarta, lunch in Singapore, and dinner in Manila.
Because why not? Because like
Hashtag Bye Jakarta.
It was F59 before lunch, and now it's like F32. So F you.
You're here. I'm so sorry, Ate. I need to.
I just pulled you.
I'm so sorry, Ate. Can we get? Did she? Let's hide. Let's.
She confused.
So what just happened?
We're delayed and we don't
I'm so sorry guys, I'm editing my photo yet.
where to change our money, our dollars to pesos.
Right.
Because by the time that we arrive in Manila, everything's closed. So
We're gonna arrive there at like 11 p.m. So we got extra like 2-3 hours in Singapore, but we're kind of like desperate here. I only have like $6 Singaporean dollars.
me, I don't
No,
have
you're not.
Singaporean
Why?
dollars. Like I'm just using my debit card. Thank,
Even less than $6, so I don't know.
thank goodness I have a MasterCard.
The flight will be at 7:30 p.m. It should be now. We're already flying.
Yeah,
Almost
should
flying.
be.
Oh, the boarding.
We already boarded.
So yeah, I don't know. But hopefully everything will be good. It's beginning to look a lot Christmas. So we're happy. So this is how vloggers feel young.
Yeah.
Everyone
When
stares.
people stare because your camera is on your face always.
Oh my god, this
That's
is
how
not
people judge people. You know
Right.
what I mean?
They have like big.
That's what society is.
This is Christmas in Singapore. It's 6 o'clock. Oh my god, it's 6 o'clock and it's still sunny. But it's cloudy there outside. It's like, it looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know if it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
We're both hungry. We don't know what to eat.
I only have like $5 Singapore dollars.
And
That's fine.
the flight is still delayed. I hope it won't be delayed any longer.
Right.
That would suck.
Like I'm just gonna find cheap food.
We haven't done any kind of beauty rest, you know?
No.
You know what I mean, guys? Like,
What's
this morning we just had like minimal sleep. We're happy now.
Reminiscing our 7-Eleven memories.
Yes.
Jakarta.
How can you forget? I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Sorry. It's funny, the 7-Eleven. Don't you miss
Finally, I
it?
miss 7-Eleven. Like,
to Manila. Buy Singapore, banana milk, sandwiches. Oh my god, is it gonna be a bumpy ride? Long queue. It's raining outside. But sudah banyak the artist lah.
Oh, netizen.
Anyway, bye.
Passport. Portable charger. Oh, take out.
Excuse me, sir. Oh, sorry.
Happy birthday, Tita Marvi. Dapat cucu. Tuhan berkati. Amin. Yeay. One. 53. Wow, fabulously with pink hair. All of us are blonde. She has pink hair, guys. She doesn't follow the trend. She has her own trend. Guys, just taste it.
Okay.
It's melted.
I'm waiting for Kina.
Okay.
Do the honor. Nah, I will
Nah.
record you.
Nah.
They're vlogging. They're vlogging. This is apa? The caramel bar.
Caramel bar.
Should I be like, I already know. It's really chewy.
Okay, your turn. Belum.
Belum.
Take it first. Scoop it first. Belum. Not yet.
Can I get one?
The Filipina, thank you so much. Good, Oki.
It's fresh.
You're happy you're home? Yep.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy.
Then you will enjoy Boracay.
Yay. We need to hold our breath, yeah? Tomorrow. Selamat makan. Wait, selamat makan ini. Kainan. Jauh ke Filipina ada Alfamart. Amazing. Good morning from Manila. Hi. No makeup. Okay. Good morning.
Still fucked up with the
Yeah. Can you? Hi. Finally, good daylight. For a few minutes, I guess. And we're on our way to the airport now.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
See you in Cali.
We have reached Calibo! Calibo! Thank you, Aisha. Oh, one picture. Thank you, Aisha. Gue masuk angin nih, gue rasa. Ini dua pesawat nyampe bareng-bareng kayaknya. Ada Ate, I'm gonna be masuk angin. Thank you. Thank you, Calibo. Thank you, tolak angin. Orang pintar. Pakai jaket, Kak. Turun pesawatnya. Angin, Kak, kencang. So it's just gonna be a small airport in Calibo. And then we're gonna do 2 hours drive to Boracay. And 20 minutes boat ride. So, this is Calibo Airport. We just booked a private car for us. It's cost 660 pesos. It's faster, and then It's only for the 3 of us, which is great. So we don't have to wait for other people. We're gonna go hopefully in an hour. We're gonna arrive.
It's their car.
It's their car.
Ay, dahil mo sa resibo para kay
And so Hinan in an hour or so.
Not, need ada expenses lagi kan?
No, until to our hotel.
Boatnya?
Boatnya?
Ikut juga.
Di sini, car.
No.
Lanjutannya ada.
Come with us, going to the boat, going to our hotel.
Oh gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi dia akan nganterin kita
Yeah.
sampai ke hotelnya nanti ya. Jadi naik kapal dan lain-lain. Here at the port and we're about to enter the boat. I don't know which boat. It's still raining. Little sprinkles showering, but it's kinda okay, I guess. Better than before. Hopefully it will be a nice little bumpy ride.
One vehicle for us only. Like, this is the most Maarte journey ever. Ever.
We've been traveling for 48 hours now.
Yes.
Ini tuh ibaratnya kalau kayak kita sampai di Ayana tuh naik mobil ininya, mobil golf kan.
Yes.
This is our faster golf cart.
We don't need to queue. We don't need to like.
Thank you to what tour? K-JAD.
Thank you to.
Very recommended. Yeah.
I recommend.
Thanks to this kuya. Yay. We're gonna go to our hotel, which is Henan.
Yeah, so the port is actually at the back of Boracay Island. So
This is Katiklan Port.
this is already like Boracay Island.
Boracay Island.
Daddy young with a while ago with where we went down to take the boat. That's the port.
We are back. Floaties. This is our room. Direct full access.
What's the pool?
Can I just like happy face? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi. Walking closet and to another room. Girls. They gave us umbrellas. Hi. Okay. Hi. Second room. We have 2 rooms. Hi. So this is our first sunset.
Sunset in Boracay Island. Your camera is very nice, Kim.
I know.
While it's raining there, it's sunny here.
Oh, it's raining there. I'm so sorry. We're still in our gym clothes because apparently we just done our gym session. Oh, look at this guy. Anyways, first sunset. First sunset, people. First sunset. Bajanya juga. Jadi ceritanya kita kan habis makan gratis, tapi sebenarnya itu ada kayak trik marketingnya gitu. Terus sekarang hujan Kai pulang 1,5 jam saya di keramahin McDo.
If we more than 90 minutes, I will let you stop. 20 minutes.
Juga saya, I keep on asking the looking at the time. Because past
Jadi berdua ini kan orang marketing ya, gak bisa dibohongin tuh.
No, I will show.
Sementara gue orang PR, gue bisa kayak oh iya. Tapi good teamwork guys. Jollibee.
Jollibee again.
Like we udah 2 days in the Philippines and we're not eating Jollibee yet.
Yeah, but that's the last because it's very
See,
sensitive.
if people think that I'm coming here to get my belly fat coming back,
No, we still have a priority.
you don't know my friends. Ya udah kalau gitu nanti kita udah gelap ya say. Ya udah kita matiin dulu deh. See ya. Bye.
The perfect morning beaches. Good morning Boracay. Morning nuts. How are you sleeping? How's your sleep?
It's good. First complete sleep.
Finally, yes. I'm still the one who wake up first. I woke up at 6, you know.
No bra day today, just bikini. Hi. Good morning.
Oh no.
Good morning. I love it.
This
Good
a moment again.
morning. Morning. Everybody's so nice here. I love it. Oh my gosh. Enjoying the view. Live. This is live. Hujan. Jadi kita tidak menyangka bahwa akan musim hujan di sini. Tapi kata hujannya kayak sekarang nih 1 jam hujan, terus 1 jam berhenti, sunny lagi. So there's always a sun after the rain. Don't be stressed. Pagi, akhirnya kita sudah mandi, sudah ganteng, cantik. Oh, okay, we're waiting for the GreenHeli people to pick us up. Get my friend. Good morning, Ate. Oh, we just arrived at their office, GreenHeli. Then we're signing the paper first. Hi guys. Hi guys. Sorry, it's my backlight.
This is the hardest part, pay.
9 lembar bukan? Masa itu ke?
Yes,
Okay.
you can take photos and pictures while you go out near the helicopter.
Sharing the moment ya. Clear blue sky. Lord, thank you so much. This is the highlight of
From
the
the
day.
bottom of my heart, thank you Lord so much. I thought it was possible for us to like see a clear sky, but this is really happening.
Yeah.
And it is like one of our bucket list, like, oh shit. Please keep us safe Lord, please, please, please.
Oh, kita masuk ke dalam gitu guys, terus kayak tuh, kayak masuk. Dia punya tanahnya gitu kali ya, terus nanti di ujung ada helipadnya. Terus we're moving there, we're going there. Terus masih ada tamu yang terbang sekarang. Nunggu. Ya kan, ada tamu yang terbang kan. Terus 10 menit. Terbangnya it's gonna be 10 minutes of flying. 10 minutes of flying, moving around the Boracay Island tour. Jadi tadinya ada 2 option. Kita bisa airport transfer, which is dari bandara terus naik helikopter ke hotel doang, which is nggak di hotel, which is bakal ke tempat ini juga. Atau waktu itu kayak kita hitung-hitung kayak lebih mahal. Nah, option lain adalah satu lagi helicopter tour. Jadi island tour gitu, naik helikopter. Ini kita udah naik ke atas tempatnya gitu kayak. GreenHeli, namanya GreenHeli guys, kalau kalian mau kesini bisa coba. Okay, we're gonna go for safety briefing. It's kinda hot here. That's our helipad. Bodo amat dibilang Nora, ye. Jadi kita safety briefing.
We're currently waiting now for the number 4. Okay, currently they're serving number 2, but it will be just quick. Kita mau naik helikopter!
Thank you so much, Kuya.
Kuya, I thought you were Indonesian.
I taught her.
Yeah, we can speak a lot of Filipino. I can say, seryoso ka ba?
Seryoso ka ba? Seryoso ako.
Seryoso ako.
I bet you ask that to a lot of
Yeah,
Filipino and
especially with
Indonesian.
her.
Seryoso ka ba
Yeah.
sa akin?
I don't understand
I don't
that. I'm so sorry. So this is GreenHeli, right?
GreenHeli and AirTaxi.
AirTaxi
We
PH.
cater charter flights around the Philippines. Website is
AirTaxi.ph, right? Right.
Check us out.
Yeah,
Thank you.
because we did, and this is like the best. The
Yes,
best one we
yes.
found, right?
Yeah.
Ate? And they also helped the Inia. Hi! And also the ASEAN 50. It was last week, right?
Yes.
It was last week,
Yes.
ASEAN
And we
50.
cater that event.
Right. So we feel like we're delegates from Indonesia.
We're delegate from Indonesia.
Indonesia delegates.
The one who used the charter
Uh-uh.
earlier, they were celebrities. They were
Celebrities!
They
Wow!
were local celebrities.
Yay! Bucket list? Check.